So I did a video the other day on 5 things that I love about the E92 BMW, but I wanted to make this video as well because I didn't want everyone to think that it's all sunshines and rainbows, because there is annoying things about the E92 as well. So this video is 5 things that I hate about the E92. The first one really annoys me. It is in specifically for this N54 335i E92, is that there's no dipstick. It really annoys me. So every time you want to like check your oil level, you have to do it via the iDrive or your instrument cluster, and it's really frustrating because it doesn't just give you a readout straight away. You have to sort of wait for it to read the oil, and by then you could have no oil. Do you know what I mean? You could have driven like 5 minutes down the road with no oil, and then it's told you that you haven't got any oil. Well, it's too late then. And also, like if you're servicing it and stuff, I just want to be able to check the oil with a dipstick, not a little reading on the iDrive. That's just annoying. So yeah, that's one of them. Another thing that really annoys me is the fact, again, this is for my 335i, I think it's slightly different on like the 318 and like the smaller engine cars, but you can't change the headlight. Mine's the xenon bulb one, and you can't change the bulb or the lamp, whatever bulbs grow in the ground, without taking the wheel off. That's what? Why is that? How is, I don't know. Anyway, but it just annoys me. So that's another one. What else annoys me? The flappy paddle gear stick thing. If you drive an auto or a DCT like mine, I just find it really annoying that they've put these weird paddle shifters on here. Rather than just have left is down, right is up a gear, they both do the same thing. So you sort of push the paddle away from you to downshift and pull it back to upshift. Why have they done that? No one else has done it, I don't think. Well, I don't know of anyone that's done it. So if you're driving, like if you're used to a normal paddle shifter, i.e. left is down, right is up, you're going to get in here and start hooning. You're going to get to like a downshift corner, click the left paddle, and you're going to go up a shift, thinking it's down a shift. Why is that? I don't know, it annoys me. It's another little thing. Fourth thing I hate about the E92, specifically mine. So I don't know if the LCI is the same, but mine is like a part LCI, part pre-LCI. As in, there's a few bits that are LCI parts, but it's not an LCI car, if that makes any sense. It was like an overlap in production. But technically mine is an pre-LCI, and the Bluetooth in this is good, that you can phone people and stuff from your iDrive or your radio or whatever, but you can't stream music through the Bluetooth on that. So I can't just like, I can connect my phone, but I can't play my Spotify through the stereo, the speakers of the car stereo. I just find that weird. Surely in 2010 this car is, surely in 2010 that was technologically available. Why didn't they do that? I don't know. Again, I don't know if they did it in the LCI. I'll have to find that out, but either way, pre-LCI should have had it, in my opinion. There is a way around that. I'm going to make a little video about it. I've got like an adapter thing. I'll make a video about that soon, actually. And the last thing that annoys me is run flat tyres. Why? Just, they're so uncomfortable and pointless in my opinion, that I've never had a flat tyre and needed to keep driving on a flat tyre. Just have a little spare in the back, or one of those foam bottle things that you can fill it with foam. Just, I don't know, run flats. Oh, make me feel sick just thinking about them. I just dropped the camera. No, I didn't drop it. The the mount fell off the window, which is not ideal. So now we're going freehand. So yeah, if you like this video, be sure to hit the like button below. Helps the channel out, get noticed a bit more by people like yourselves watching this. For more BMW content with camera falling off window action. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button. I'll see you on the next video. Cheers guys.